Okay, so what is blockchain? It may be helpful to visualize the blockchain as an electronic ledger, a giant digital database that holds a record of transactional data that's accessible to anyone with an internet connection. Think of it like a shared document in the cloud. The information doesn't live in any one place. Multiple people can view, edit, and update the same file from wherever they are, which makes it decentralized. And not only that, but because blockchains store information across a network of personal computers, they're also distributed. We all have access to the system, which means we can all monitor and help run it. This is important because it means the system can't be owned by any one individual or entity. The software is replicated on people's computers around the world, called nodes. These are the computers that power the system. By holding and verifying bundles of transactional data submitted by others, known as blocks, in a chronological chain. And to ensure the ledger can't be counterfeited or changed, each individual transaction on the blockchain relies on a form of math called cryptography, which makes the system more secure by making it extremely difficult to corrupt. Now, you might be thinking, so what's the big deal? It's a decentralized database that also happens to be distributed, and it's cryptographically secure. Well, blockchain technology has the potential to change the way we transact money, buy property, trade globally, even how we protect our identities and vote in elections. The possibilities are pretty much endless. It'll be the growing number of developers and entrepreneurs like yourselves just now getting into this space who will invent the future of blockchain.